Every day, millions of Pepsi bottles roll off the world's most advanced beverage production lines.
Welcome to the Pepsi production plant. Today, I'll guide you through exactly how Pepsi is made, from raw ingredients
Web rudder. Pepsi begins with purified water, filtered through carbon beds, softening tanks,
This concentrated syrup is the backbone of Pepsi's rich taste.
Check the viscosity reading on panel 3. It's stabilizing faster than expected.
Yes, the purity index is holding steady at 99.8%.
Everything looks optimal.
At near freezing temperature, Pepsi syrup and purified water blend as COCV is injected under pressure, locking in the signature fizz.
And that's how Pepsi is made.